Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on MultiversX. For the past several days or weeks, the price line of MultiversX is getting rejected by this downtrend line resistance. You can see that since after 5th of December 2024, it is getting rejected. Now it is dropped down at this very long-term support zone that starts from $22.36 and goes to $20.50. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this is a very long-term support zone. It has been working as a support zone here back in the month of October 2023, support zone here, support zone here. And despite this long spike to the downside, the price and could not break it down. But in fact, we have also formed another new low here but the price and so far could not break down this support. And at the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that stochastic has completely entered the oversold zone. Therefore, now there is still a probability that from here we may see a price correction. And by the way, previously we also broke out this descending triangle as well, and now the pricing is also retesting the previous support of the triangle along with this resistance of the triangle. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that is already happened here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for STG, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 11th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete here, you can also buy the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of MultiversX. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is getting rejected by the resistance of this downtrend line resistance. You can see that since after 5th of August 2024, it is getting rejected, and now recently it is once again rejected, but still having a very, very nice and long-term support zone that starts from $22.36 and goes to $20.50. Along with that, it is also retesting the previous resistance of this triangle that we have already broken out as a support and also testing the support of the triangle as well. And by the way, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that stochastic is completely oversold. Therefore, now there is a probability that we may see a price correction like it was entered the oversold zone here. We had a small correction here, another correction here, and then we broke out the resistance of the triangle. Before that, it was entered the oversold zone here. We broke out the wedge, and before that, it was entered the oversold zone here. We had a very small price correction here, but the price then was rejected by the resistance of this wedge. Therefore, I'm expecting that we may see a price correction from here. And in case of breaking out this downtrend line resistance, an imminent move is possible at this long-term resistance of $21. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this recent descending triangle, then technical target, by the way, we found the support here. And the technical target for this recent breakout from this triangle was here, approximately at $43. And you can see that we have already hit that target, even the price and rallied beyond that target, but could not break out this next long-term resistance of $55. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, but the price and could not break out this long-term resistance of $75. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.